Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, not going to keep you long, we're going to make a really simple potato salad. So as you can see there, I've got some potatoes, peeled the potatoes, washed them, boiled them in some salt water. They're cold now. Then you can sort of add what you want. So I've got a little bit of garlic, I've got some sliced onions, cucumber, bell pepper, cilantro. And for the dressing, we're going to go olive oil. Try and use a nice quality olive oil and lemon juice. 2 parts of the olive oil to 1 part of the lemon juice, but you can adjust that if you want. Bit of salt and pepper, that's it. Going to give it a mix. So, mixing bowl, potatoes are in, bell peppers, cucumber and the onions. If you wanted tomatoes, some raw mash, anything you like can go now, can't it? So, in goes the cilantro or the coriander, whatever you call that. Quite a lot of that. I want that to be a big flavour in there. If you don't want that, try parsley, dill, fresh basil, all work really well. A little bit of garlic in the mix. Then we're going to go lemon juice, olive oil. Like I said, I'm going about 2 to 1. And then we need some black pepper, a little bit of salt. Give that a mix, it's done. Okay, and there you go, really simple, nice no mayo potato salad, vegetarian and vegan at the same time. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon below for notifications. We will see you soon. Lots of love.